change your Facebook name is pretty simple. Navigate to the top right corner where you see this profile icon and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. A drop-up menu will appear with a list of options. Continue to tap on settings and this will redirect you to an interface like this. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading and continue to tap on Meta Account Center. And then with this selected, make sure to proceed to tap on profile and select the account that you want to change the name. In this case is Mubarick Mohammed. So I'm going to select on it and this is where the magic will happen. Make sure to tap on name, then you have the flexibility to make the necessary changes that you want, and after that you then continue to tap on this. And then a caveat to note, if you change your name you can't change it again for the next 60 days. So once you are satisfied with it, then proceed to tap on review change, and that's it. You have successfully changed your name on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.